Tomorrow is April 5th, and there are over 1,100 protests scheduled all across the United States as part of the Hands Off movement. I know that a lot of you are going to be going out for maybe your very first time to a protest, so I wanted to share some tips and tricks on how you can stay safe and comfortable tomorrow. First off, these rallies are meant to be peaceful and lawful, and it is on you to make sure that they stay that way. There may be counter-protesters. If you are noticing that there is someone hostile, don't engage with them, and look for your local peacekeeper to help you if you need help. Please be sure to remain on public property. You are not protected on private property. If you are on public property, you do have the right to take photos and videos. If a police officer stops you, they are not allowed to confiscate your phone, and they are not allowed to delete any of those photos or videos. The only way they can confiscate your device is if they have a warrant. If you're stopped by the police while you're protesting, stay calm. Comply with anything that they ask you. Do not argue or resist. Make sure that your hands are visible the whole time. Ask the officer if you're free to leave. If they say you are, please calmly leave. If you are put under arrest, you have the right to ask why. Beyond that, say that you wish to remain silent and speak to a lawyer. Do not say anything or sign anything without a lawyer. You have the right to make a local phone call. If you are speaking to a lawyer, the police are not allowed to listen in on that conversation. And you never have to consent for your belongings or your digital devices to be searched. If you do consent, know that that can cause issues later in court. So now that you know your rights, what should you bring? Well, make sure you take care of yourself. Dress for the weather. In my area, it's probably going to be rainy tomorrow. So I'm going to be in layers. I'm going to be wearing rain gear. Make sure that if you're out in the sun, that you have sunscreen, hat, sunglasses, or other protective eyewear. Keep yourself hydrated. Bring a water bottle. Bring a bunch of snacks. I know my pockets are filled with granola bars. Definitely bring a buddy and make a plan for if you guys get separated. How are you going to reconnect? Some people choose to bring a mask. This may be because they're immunocompromised, or it can be to hide their identity. Wear or bring ear protection, especially if you are sound sensitive. These can get loud. Bring your signs, bring your posters, but don't put them on sticks. Sticks can be misconstrued as weapons. Same thing goes with umbrellas. If it's going to rain in your area, bring a poncho, wear your rain pants, leave the umbrellas at home. Make sure you bring your favorite pair of comfy closed-toed shoes. If you choose to bring your cell phone, it's a good idea to turn off Face ID. That way you have to enter your PIN in order to consent to a search of your phone. And also make sure that your PIN code is at least 6 digits long. And if you are bringing a phone, it's a good idea to bring a spare battery or a charging case if you're able to. And most of all, bring a good attitude. These are really great events to feel in solidarity with other people who are like-minded. It's a great time to meet new people, create community, make a new friend. If you're heading out tomorrow, I'm proud of you. We are using our First Amendment rights to stand up and say that we are not okay with the demolishment of our democratic republic under the current administration. Stay strong, and if you're coming to Boston, I'll be rocking out with you to the Dropkick Murphys. See you there.